Polar Bear here. Evil Arch Conservative is going to try to pick this lock. Don't know why. It's easier with the key. But Evil Arch Conservative doing it for Nolan 250 giveaway. Because he's got like 250 subscribers now, and it's a subscriber appreciation giveaway. But if Evil Arch Conservative can't unlock this lock, I'm going to open it with the key and win this Snickers bar. Because I like candy. We know you do, Polar Bear. So I wasn't actually going to enter this, and I had commented on Georgia Jim's entry, and he said, had you entered yet? And like I said, I hadn't planned on it because the couple of locks I can pick I'd already shown, but I've got one. I rigged open another one of these, the one that Chris Capoon gave me, and I can single pin pick it, but not consistently. And this one I bought a few days ago, and I can single pin pick it about half the time. I'm gonna win that Snickers. You don't have any faith in me, do you, Polar Bear? So anyway, and then of course we have to tell a little story about something good that happened during COVID. And I'm going to do that first before I get into picking, because I don't think I can walk and talk at the same time. I can. We know, Polar Bear, we know. So anyway, last January 27th, I found myself homeless, and basically it wasn't because I was an alcoholic. It was because I had quit drinking 2 months earlier, and it caused me a lot of problems when I quit. Matter of fact, I've got 2 more parts in my alcoholism journey story to film yet, and the final part will explain how stopping drinking led me to being homeless. So anyway, I really appreciated all the agencies that helped me. A couple of my subscribers at that time sent me some money, which was very helpful in, paying for the little small things. Was able to get an apartment with another homeless lady, and so that was a blessing. And yeah, that's got the apartment about a month after the COVID restrictions started happening. Got a job in May, and since then I've been able to put a little bit of money back, so things are on the upswing, and becoming a part of this community has also been a good thing. So anyway, let's get into trying to pick this lock. Hopefully I'm on screen here. Okay. Got really tight quarters here, so it's kind of hard for me to see there. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension, because that's the only tensioners I've got right now. It's a 40 millimeter brass or Brinks laminated padlock. And we got it quick. Does this mean I don't get the Snickers? Tell you what, Polar Bear. I'll let you open it and pretend you won the Snickers. Yippee! Okay, hold on a second, Polar Bear. Anyway, that's the bidding on this one. Okay, it's locked, Polar Bear. Oops. Yay! I did it! I did it! Yum 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 yum.